Right guys, we got an F101 code on this here. It's now firing up. It's a Biasi boiler. We're going to be changing. We're going to look at them, and then we're going to move on. And if you do want to come in, I don't mind this one. Yes, this is a problem. I tried to use the old washer. Try to be stingy, yeah. See if I could save some, but it didn't work. This is why it's important now. Whenever you change these, bring a washer with you. One of these. If you ain't got one and you damage the old one, you're bugged. And this is the old part I changed. Can you see it? Oh, there. Can you see a snap over here? And there isn't enough gap between it, so hence why the boiler wasn't firing up. And I tried to take the washer off this, the gasket, and put in a new one, and that didn't go according to plan, did it? So luckily I had a new one. I'll put that in, so looking fine now. Right, I've changed that. The other one was red and this one's red. Anyway, let's go for it now. Yeah, look at that. And it's fine up. And no more error code 01. Good. Right guys, the boiler's fired up, the burner's on. It's all working fine now. No more that dreaded error code 01. So these guys got hot water and heating now. So if you guys got a broken down boiler, give me a call. Guys, that's sorted now. It's all working fine. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.